Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt here with the Sunday market analysis of the ES market. And the market was definitely very interesting last week. It definitely sold off. I was looking below 1830 and I was been saying for the past couple weeks below 1830 and this market could get fairly weak. Right now you'll see these blue boxes and red boxes. That's because I'm thinking that the market, as long as it can hold below that 1850 level, that it should be able to get weaker. And even though we're looking for a break of 1830, 1825 is also a level that comes into play, or 575, 5 even is a level that comes into play. And then a break of that, I would be looking ultimately towards 1800, maybe even lower to 1750 perhaps. And that's really what I am looking for right now. A break above 1850. We still have support, we still have resistance above us, which is around 1880 to 1877 up there. I think a break of 1850 does bode well for a break of 1880 and a move higher, but we're going to have to wait and see what the market actually does do. It can break above 1850, chop around, get weak, and then roll over. That is possible. And if that were the case, I would expect the market to hold above 1825 and ideally above 1830. And then on a sell-off, I don't think we would even get to 1800. Probably 1820 to 1813, something like that is what I would be looking for. So we really just have to see how the market does open. If it does open lower here, then there's probably a good shot that it does break down. I would kind of think that it could open higher, maybe in a bounce or something, and that's when we want to watch for 1850. As long as it holds below it, it can get weak. I'll break above it, and we'll have our sights on 1880. 1867 to 1870 is a level as well, but I'm thinking if it does break higher, it's probably going to try to break above this and get somewhere in this region here, somewhere between 67s and 80s, and I would lean more towards 80s at the moment. The market's always going to do what it wants to do regardless of what we think, and all we can really do is set aside ideas. If it does this, I would like to do this. If it does that, I would like to do that. That's basically all we can do. So right now, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm looking for. Any strong break of 1825, we want to keep this in mind, and keep in mind that it can go into the 1700s. At the moment, I don't really see the weakness that it could happen, but I would think that it would come up, get weak, roll over, and then just break it. So if it gets down here, watch for it to come up and then roll over and just get very weak. I just don't see that happening at the moment, but we'll have to wait and see what actually does happen, because it can do a couple different things at the moment, so we want to be aware of that. So anyway, thanks everyone for watching the video. Have an awesome rest of your Sunday. You can always leave questions below if you want. You can also email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.